So today is a different kind of video that I don't usually review. It's magnetic eyelashes. It's from this brand, Cosdad. It's magnetic and it comes with eyeliner and eyelashes set. Let's explore what comes inside the kit. It comes with eyelashes and they are magnetic. And look at it. It has like magnets on the sides of them, and it comes with a magnetic eyeliner. So you basically apply the eyeliner as a regular eyeliner on your eyelid, and it has this special kind of tweezer so you can grab it. It also comes with a little case that you can it's like a portable case for you to take it with you, and it has a little mirror so you can use it, and you can like take it with you to parties, and it has little scissors so you can cut the eyelashes to match the size of your eyelid if you want it like a small eyelashes. Okay, so let's start working on it. So this is the eyeliner, and it's a magnetic eyeliner. I'm going to use my own mirror. And now we're gonna grab the eyelashes with this. Okay, so it's really easy to grab it with it. I see like some people like just cut it. And then you just squeeze it a little bit to your eyelashes, and I think this is it. Wow, it's so easy. I am so not good at wearing eyelashes and fake eyelashes, and I think this is maybe the second or third time in my whole entire life I wear fake eyelashes, and this is so easy. I really recommend wearing this brand. I love it. I highly recommend. I'm gonna wear the other one. Now I'm gonna show you the final result. So hold on. And this is the final look. Those are really nice and easy to wear. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Stay beautiful.